a $135,000 American muscle legend, the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 with a 4-speed manual that still commands the streets 50 years later. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel because today we are taking a close look at a true icon of American automotive history, the 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, a machine built during the golden age of muscle cars, powered by a legendary GM 396 CI V8 engine, connected to a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, and restored with the kind of attention to detail that makes collectors take notice. With a value of $135,000, this Chevelle SS represents the perfect combination of power, heritage, and timeless American style. There was a time when muscle cars were not just vehicles, they were statements. They represented freedom, performance, and the excitement of pushing a powerful machine down the open road. The 1968 Chevelle SS was one of those cars that defined an era. It carried an aggressive design, a big block heart, and the attitude of a true performance machine. From the first glance, this Chevelle SS demands attention. The factory-style red exterior paint gives the car an unmistakable presence, creating a bold appearance that captures the spirit of late 1960s Chevrolet performance. The deep red finish highlights every curve of the body, from the long hood to the muscular rear quarter panels. Adding even more character is the black top, creating a classic contrast that gives this Chevelle a premium and sophisticated appearance. The combination of red paint, black roof, and chrome details creates a timeless muscle car profile that looks just as impressive today as it did decades ago. The white continuous body stripe runs across the exterior, adding the perfect racing-inspired touch. It gives the Chevelle SS a performance identity while maintaining the clean factory-inspired appearance collectors appreciate. Chrome accents shine throughout the body, reflecting the craftsmanship and styling philosophy of an era when every detail mattered. The factory badging proudly displays the heritage of this machine. It is a reminder that beneath this beautiful exterior is a serious performance car built by Chevrolet during one of the most exciting periods in automotive history. Opening the hood reveals the true centerpiece of this legendary machine, a GM 396 cubic inch V8 engine. The big block Chevrolet engine is one of the most respected power plants from the muscle car era, known for its strong torque, aggressive sound, and unmistakable personality. This engine is paired with a 4-barrel carburetor, delivering the classic muscle car experience enthusiasts love. The moment the throttle opens, the 396 V8 responds with the deep, powerful sound that only a classic big block Chevy can produce. Unlike modern performance cars controlled by computers and electronics, the Chevelle SS delivers a raw connection between driver and machine. Every vibration, every engine note, and every gear change reminds you that this is a vehicle built around pure driving excitement. Power flows through a legendary Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. For true muscle car enthusiasts, there is nothing like rowing through the gears yourself and feeling the mechanical connection between the driver and the road. Behind that transmission is a 12-bolt Posi rear end with a 3.08 baud-1 ratio. This setup provides durability and dependable performance, allowing the Chevelle SS to handle its big block power while remaining enjoyable for cruising. The driving experience is enhanced with power steering and power brakes, giving this classic Chevrolet a more comfortable feel on modern roads. The 4-wheel drum brake setup maintains the authentic muscle car character while staying true to the original design philosophy. The stance of this Chevelle SS is completed with iconic Cragar wheels. These wheels have become a symbol of classic American performance, and they perfectly match the aggressive personality of this build. The 215/65/15 front tires and wider 275/615 rear tires create a balanced and powerful appearance, giving the car the traditional muscle car look from every angle. Underneath, this Chevelle receives the same level of attention as the exterior. The frame is finished in black paint, creating a clean and restored appearance. The floorboards feature red paint, matching the exterior theme and showing the commitment to detail throughout the restoration. New fuel lines, a new fuel tank, and new parking brake cables provide confidence and reliability. These upgrades help preserve the driving experience while ensuring this classic Chevrolet is ready for the road. Inside the cabin, the Chevelle SS continues its legendary style with a black interior designed around the driver. The front bucket seats provide the perfect muscle car atmosphere, while the rear bench seating maintains the classic layout that made these cars practical and exciting. The center console adds to the performance-inspired interior, creating a cockpit that feels focused and purposeful. Factory gauges provide essential information while keeping the vintage appearance intact. HVAC controls and air conditioning add comfort, allowing this classic muscle machine to be enjoyed during longer drives. Every part of this Chevelle tells a story, from the big block engine under the hood to the carefully restored details underneath. This is more than just a classic car. It is a piece of American automotive history. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS represents a generation when performance, style, and personality came together in one unforgettable package. At $135,000, this collector-grade example showcases why these cars continue to attract enthusiasts around the world. It is not just the horsepower that makes this Chevelle special. It is the sound of the 396 V8, the feeling of shifting through a Muncie 4-speed, the shine of the chrome, and the memories attached to every mile driven. The legend of the Chevelle SS continues because cars like this remind us why the muscle car era became one of the greatest chapters in automotive history. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is not simply a classic, it is a symbol of American performance that will continue turning heads for generations to come.